Graduated in 1950, a business administration major with dairy manufacturing minor. And I've been attached to the dairy industry ever since. As I recall, the first meeting, like I said, was in '47 that I went to with my dad. They met on the second floor of the Benton Hotel, and it didn't have a lot of exhibits at all. It was just speakers, I think. Our home was in Tillamook. My dad had Poole's Dairy there, where we bottled milk and made ice cream. And of course, I worked in the processing plant and made ice cream and processed pasteurized milk when I was in high school. It would be batch freezers instead of continuous freezers at that time. And you'd make batches of 10 gallons at a time. Today, that wouldn't be much of a start. Stir it up and turn on the machine. And then there was a handle to lift up to hold your package under there. And then somebody'd have to close the package by hand. So it's hard to imagine today things like that. My dad sold out to the Tillamook County Creamery, and that's when they went into the ice cream business. Poole's ice cream, and then it was Tillamook ice cream. Of course, everybody knows the famous Tillamook cheese. Of course, kept in touch with them, and then they were one of my best customers when I was selling equipment and supplies for them.